Dear students, I hope you are doing well. So, in today's second lesson, we're going to talk about pronouns, okay? But first, let's revise what we studied in Unit 3 about pronouns, okay? So, when we were studying family, we talked about he and she. What did we say? We said we use he with a male when we're talking about male, okay? For example, father, okay? He is a father. We can say father or dad, okay? He is a father or he is a dad. He is a brother, okay? Brother. He is a grandpa, a grandpa. Okay, so here we use it with male. Father is a male. Dad is a male. Brother is a male. Grandpa is a male. Okay? Or if we have a friend who is a male, for example, Ahmed is a male. Muhammad is a male. Adam is a male. Um, any other male name, we use he with it. Hisham is a male. Akram is a male. Imran is a male. Okay? We use he with boys or male. Okay? Now let's move on to she. We use she when we're talking about females. Females. For example, she, okay? She is a mom. Mom. She is a mom. She is a sister. Sister. She is a grandma. Good. Grandma. Okay? Good. So, mom is a female. So we used she. Sister is a female. So we used she. Grandma is also a female, so we used she. We use she when we are talking about females or girls. For example, Fatima is a girl, Iman is a girl, Sarah is a girl, Ikhlas is a girl, Sahar is also a girl, um, Raihana is a girl. Shayma is a girl. These are girls' name. Reem is also a girl. Farah is a girl. So all these girls' name we use she. She. And when we are talking about boys or males like a brother, grandpa, dad, Ahmed, Muhammad, Imran, Adam, Mustafa, these are males. We use he. We use he. Okay? So we are clear about the pronoun he and pronoun she. Okay? Now let's move on to today's lesson where we're going to talk about it. It. Okay? Good. Now, when do we use it? We use it when we're talking about objects, okay? Objects or animals, animals, okay? So object like door, it is a door, okay? Or we use it's. It is the short form of it is. It is or it's. Both are the same, okay? So it is a door, it's a window, okay? Window, it's it's a desk, okay? It's um it's a, for example, place, it's a park, okay? It's a park. So we use it with anything. So when I say objects, I mean anything that is not alive, not a living creature, any object, any place, any word. Now we move to animals. It's it's a cat. It's a dog. It's a rabbit. It's a rabbit. It's a mouse. Okay, it's a mouse. It's a frog. Okay, it's a frog. So these are animals. When we're talking about animals, we use it, it. Okay, whenever we're talking about animals, we use it. It's a frog, it's a mouse, it's a rabbit, it's a dog, it's a cat. Okay, we use it whenever we're talking about animals. Okay, or we're talking about objects. It's door, it's window, it's desk, it's park. Okay, objects.